Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about how to properly set up trolley things and materials required to set up trolley for facial and skin analysis. And we will also learn the procedure to set up bed for facial and skin analysis.
By the end of this video, you will have proper knowledge about the need to set up a facial and skin analysis trolley and bed, the materials and tools required to set up a trolley for facial and skin analysis, the materials and tools required to set up a facial bed, things to be taken care of while setting up a facial and skin analysis trolley, and the benefits of proper trolley and bed setup for facial and skin analysis. There are various materials that are required to carry out the facial procedure effectively and in a proper manner. When these materials are not placed properly, following things can happen. The proper procedure or treatment cannot be done. It takes time to search for the materials. Same way, setting up bed for a facial treatment and skin analysis is very important. If not done properly, following things might happen. The customer will not feel comfortable. It will be a hindrance in carrying out the treatment effectively. It will leave the customer dissatisfied. Now, we learn about how to set up a trolley for facial and skin analysis. To set up a trolley, firstly, requirement is a facial trolley itself. Apart from that, these are the things that are required. Facial apron, as it is important for the person giving the treatment to properly wear an apron for hygiene reasons as well as to not spoil her own clothes. Facial gown. We should have a clean gown for the customer for comfort, relaxation and hygiene factor. It also saves their clothes from getting ruined. 2 big size towel. One to place off disposable sheet. Another one to cover client body. 2 medium sized towel to cover hairline and below the shoulder. Headband to cover client's hair and protect them. A box of tissue papers or paper napkins. Blackhead and whitehead extractor. Make sure that the comedony extractor is clean and sanitized. 2 small size bowls that can be used as per the need. For example, to mix creams and products before using them. A medium or small sized box that can be used to store clients' jewelries and other belongings. 2 big bowl to store water and other items. Spatula to pull product from their storage package. Sanitizer to sanitize our hands before we start any kind of treatment. Fair amount of cotton to wipe clean client's face as per requirements. Apart from these, there are materials and products that should be added in the trolley. These are cleansing milk to remove dust from face, skin toner to maintain the pH balance of the skin, facial scrub to scrub skin and remove blackheads and whiteheads, face cream to fill up empty space created in skin after removal of blackheads and whiteheads, face pack or facial mask, moisturizer and sunscreen lotion. Now, we will learn about the procedure to carry out the trolley setting. While setting up the trolley, we should arrange all the required tools and materials properly for easy access. All the consumable materials like cream, scrub, toner, face packs, etc. should be kept on the top slab for easy and convenient use. Now let us look at the advantages of trolley setup. It saves time and speeds up the process. It helps service provider to focus on the job, and this helps in delivering better work. Looks professional. It creates good impression on client and they are happier, which helps in retention. Now, we will learn about the procedure of bed setting. We will cover it with a disposable or clean hygiene sheet. Then we should lay a big towel on top of it. After that, we should keep two medium or small towels, fold them properly and keep them over the big towel. After lying the client on the bed, cover them with big towel. Place one medium-sized towel below her shoulder. Another medium-sized towel fold in a triangular shape and cover their hair. The benefits of setting up a bed properly are: it gives more professional look. It helps in client feel comfortable. It increases the hygiene level. It saves from spoilage.
Let us quickly recap the learning of this video. Trolley and bed setting are important aspects when working professionally. All the materials and tools required should be placed and arranged properly on trolley for easy access. The bed should be set up keeping in mind client's comfort. Doing this will make the procedure easy, efficient. It will make the client happy and help retain them. I hope now you all have a clear understanding of the topic of trolley setting and bed setting in detail, along with the materials required to carry out the task efficiently. This will help you in real life scenario when you work professionally with a client. Thank you.